Living in a small apartment doesn't mean you have to give up on recycling. Here's how to create a setup that's simple, clean, and actually works. First, find a dedicated corner for your setup. Even the tiniest spot will do. I chose these sleek, neutral-colored bins that blend right in. Labeling is key, so I have one for plastic, paper, glass, and organics. This makes sorting super fast. To keep things tidy, I use clear jars for smaller items like batteries or bottle caps. It keeps everything visual and easy to manage. Worried about space? Think vertically. Slim, stackable organizers are your best friend. Collapsible crates are also amazing because you can store them away when they're empty. For a quick reminder, always rinse your plastics and glass, keep paper clean and dry, and use a small countertop container for your organic waste. If you prefer everything out of sight, try stashing your bins inside a cabinet, under the sink, or even behind a door. A little creativity goes a long way. There you have it, a simple, functional recycling system for any small space. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more sustainable living tips.